The Astana Times continues its series on Kazakh traditional sports. Today we delve into rules and peculiarities of Kazakh archery, called Sadak Atu. The true origin of Kazakh archery comes from the nomadic lifestyle, which was very much based on war and hunting, all primarily done on horseback. This evolved into the Kazakh archery style.
The peculiarity of Kazakh archery is that we shoot with the thumb. Our grandfathers knew how to shoot while riding a horse. The arrow is placed under the thumb and over the index finger. It doesn't move when you shake the bow. That's the unique aspect of Kazakh archery. Other people shoot in the so-called European style, where the arrow is held between the index and middle fingers.
Giving us our first archery lesson, the coach emphasized the importance of proper positioning when handling the bow and arrow.
You should stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, weight evenly distributed on both feet, and your body at a 90-degree angle to the target. Our string is called kırıs and its wooden bow is called adırna. You should hold firmly of it like this. We do not hold it down or up. There is a mark on our bows, which should be on the upper side. The thumb rests on the arrow under the index finger. This is how we tighten our grip. We stretch the string, twisting our body. We place the arrow on our face so that the hand does not tremble and raise the elbow.
The coach takes aim at a straw cylinder around 10 meters away and releases one arrow after another, hitting the target. According to him, the key to success in archery is consistency, repeating the movements time after time. Kazakh archery is also one of the more inclusive traditional sports for people of all ages, welcoming novices as young as 7.
One of the features of archery is that it is accessible to people of all ages. Among us, there are people shooting from the age of 7 to the age of 60, 70. There are no age limits in archery. If you have the desire to learn, you can shoot.
In a sport that requires significant mental strength and focus, patience is important. Staying precise under pressure cultivates grit and resilience while enabling one to apply those skills in other, more stressful areas of life. Beyond the shooting range, archery can have a positive impact on improving one's eyesight as well.